You see, and from the moment I received this gift, then I know that my Christmas is sure, my Christmas is clear. So if you don't like it, I don't know what you will like. So guys, in here, unbox with me the things I got from this app. I will mention the name of the app if I love what they bring for me. But if I don't love what they bring for me, guys, I'm not telling you the name of the app. Okay, first of all, what we have here is my shoe. The reason why I open it is because I just open it to check if my things, if it's what I ordered first of all, because that is what I'm doing. Immediately you're giving me something, please, I will just tell you to wait. Let me check if it's what I ordered. Because I don't have the strength to be doing, returning goods. No, I don't have strength for that one, okay? So as a baby girl who is on a budget, I don't want to spend much, so I go for this particular app because I know going there I have to spend less. I don't have to spend much, okay? So yeah, I picked this particular shoe. Oh, nah, this shoe is giving. Nke baraba, obago. So yeah, I love this particular. I love this shoe. I really love this shoe. There's one particular dressing that I've always been on my mind in this December. Okay, so I said no, this dressing I will dress this on this particular day, but I don't know when is the day in December. It depends on if these people did not send me to work. If they send me to work that day, will lie, I'll cost them. So yeah, so that is it. This is number one. Okay, so let me bring out the other one. And these two, let me know the one you like inside. Okay, so first, that is the first one. So yeah, this is the second one. Okay. Oh, this particular one again. I'm going to be using that one for a tight, but this particular one, I'm going to be using it on a gown that I will wear it with tights. Trust me, I will kill it and I will give it a 10/10 minus nothing. You guys, just wait and see the video. Wait for the video, okay? So that is that. Then I have this other shoe again. I bought many shoes. Sometimes it go just enter my head. They enter. I have many shoes. See, I bought this other shoe. Oh, this shoe is giving. Oh, this shoe is giving. It's giving. The shoe is giving. I really love the shoe. I love those shoes. Okay, so yeah. So this particular one, I don't know what is inside, but let's just open it and see what is inside. I can't remember. Okay, wow, this tight. Yeah. Oh my goodness, yes, I love this tight. I buy this tight because of that particular shoe, but I'm going to be wearing it with a gown. But for now, I don't have the gown. I will look for the gown. So inside here, what is it? Okay, inside here is another one. Okay, this is another one. So this is a 3-piece turtleneck. Yeah, these are many pieces. Okay, 2-piece turtleneck. Yeah, this one is the white and this one is the black. But for now, I don't know which one I will put on, but I just need to have the both together. But if you ask me, I don't know. What is this inside here again? I don't know. Let me know. Oh my god, what is this? Slay on a budget. This is what they call slay on a budget. Are you getting me? You don't have to break the bank before you can slay. And this is it. And this is it. I'm going to be doing a separate video from this hair. I will just to guess how this hair coming, but okay. So for now, let's keep that one aside. I don't know which other thing I have here. Let's check again. Oh my goodness. We have this bag here. This bag. Trust me, this bag is... I don't want to show you guys the bag. Trust me, this bag is beautiful. When I say beautiful, trust me. Wow, this bag is giving. I really love this bag. The bag is giving. What's the money? I just love the things they bring for me. I don't know what is inside here again. I bought a lot of things, so I just want to check. Okay. Oh, this is giving. Like, seriously? I really love it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's giving. I just love everything they bring for me. Was just smile. There are sometimes if you just buy something, you will not be feeling it. There are some days you buy something, you'll be feeling it. I think both of them are the same thing. Okay, they are different. They are made with different stuff, not the same. Okay. Then I don't know for last. I don't know if this one is the last one. Why is inside here again? Seriously? Wow. I bought skirts. Like seriously? What? Kiki. Good job. It's beautiful. Man. So guys, it's finished. Oh, everything is finished. I really love everything. All the outfits are so beautiful. I don't know what is this. Wow. This Anglo. Yeah, let me test it. I just hope this thing enter me. Wow, a mix. Oh my goodness, guys. This Anglos is a mix. See. And the day I'm buying this Anglo, they are telling me is all size for all size. Oh. For all size. That's what they are telling me. Say it's for all size. But what I'm saying now is not true. But this particular Anglo, now tell me, if I'm wearing this Anglo now, I will not be, although it's still good. It's still good. I love it. I love it. It's so beautiful. But it's tightening me. It's not giving my hand that free, that free movement like that. I'm not feeling that free movement. But she said I love it. I love it. It's giving. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and stay tuned. See you guys on my next video. Bye.